Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a Norton Antivirus subscription, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Norton Antivirus subscription, start by opening your web browser. Next, navigate to the official Norton website. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Sign In button. Enter your Norton account email and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, find the Subscriptions or My Account section. Click on that section to view your current subscriptions. Look for the Norton Antivirus subscription you wish to cancel. Next to the subscription, you should see an option to cancel subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to proceed. You may be prompted to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose your reason from the available options. After selecting a reason, confirm your decision by clicking Continue or Next. Follow any additional prompts that appear on the screen. Once the cancellation process is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure you have received this confirmation. If you don't receive the confirmation, you may want to log back into your account to verify the cancellation. Remember that you will still have access to your subscription until the end of the billing cycle. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Norton's customer support for assistance. That's it. You have successfully canceled your Norton Antivirus subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.